ตัวเราดูได้เราไม่ดูกันตัวเราต้องการอยู่ที่ความพิเศษแต่เป็นเรื่องตัวของคุณการการตัวเป็นที่ได้ดูก็จะรู้สึกว่า Okay. Are you today at another place? Where are you now? Florida. What Oh. Can you say to everyone?
ใส่กล่องน้ำได้ซีทุกจร from North Carolina we are together to for funeral for venerable คำพา for มหาคำพา
เกียรติวงศ์
เกียรติวงศ์ is airport he is found this temple
Yeah.
long time ago many years about 20 more years and we have 30 more monks together and senior monks two senior monks venerable ประธานคำหวัน and venerable ประธาน
บุพภา
จำได้เขาเนี่ยบอก
Today Venerable Ajahn Mahadam he is happy today because the weather here is a little warm in the morning is good the morning very good but in the afternoon very hot maybe someday cannot sit over here Ajahn Mahadam he like to see nature see the tree something green like make feel very good Ajahn Mahadam juga last time you took video about the fish here
yeah
oh
somebody asked me about his house
oh
yeah but his house is a nature
oh
I
nature
don't know I never seen before yeah, I just seen before because some fish they create a house for female fish
oh over here have where is this
เนี่ยเห็น
อ๋อ
ซูมเอาก็ได้
oh look
ตัวใหญ่
แต่ละเปีย
อายังก่อน
แต่ละเปีย
ภาษาอังกฤษเป็นยังไง
ชื่อมันละชื่อแต่ละเปีย
แน่นอน
แต่ละ เที่ยวนั้นมันไม่เห็น
somewhere
คือบริเวณนั้นเป็นหนึ่งที่ว่ามัน
okay I will taking you to see over there fish house see
ผมเจอแล้วจะเห็นทีใหญ่
yeah
สุด
they make a like a soko
เป็นแนสป่าทางย่างไม่ต้องกลัวไปได้
you want to go around with Ajahn Mahadam okay
ไปข้างหน้าแล้ว
this is area of the Buddha Lao Buddha Pavanaram Temple in St. Pete, Florida. The trail for walking meditation. Is bamboo. ฝนตก rain
ตกคืนนี้เด็ก
last night
ตัดได้เอง
forgot what okay
จับสักสิป้ารถให้เขาเห็นทางหน้าเสียใช่ละ
yeah.
ก็
นะครับ
โอเคอาจารย์อาจารย์
สาธุ
เวนโบอาจารย์มหาคัมมณีเวนโบหลวงพ่อจรอาจารย์มหาคัมมณี from Massachusetts หลวงพ่อจร from North Carolina Good morning
morning
yeah, it's a beautiful peaceful day yeah. สุข
นะสุดเลย
มันมีล็อกเลยมันมีล็อกแต่ว่าสำหรับยางนะ
นี่ก็จะมาใหม่ๆว่ะ
ตัวเก่าขนาด
okay go tell
โอ้
something
โยมจากคนไทยครับนี่นะ so beautiful ขนาด thank you sharing
I am friend Mahadam friend
อืม
as long time ago
many months
many months
yeah come together almost 40 months yeah ไอ
วันนี้
33บ่
33มื้อวาน
33
มาอีก
33 oh, good morning I saw Venerable Dwang Panet he live stream last night talk about meditation talk about gratitude with our parent yeah it's very yeah I miss my mom and my dad yeah he talk about the teenager yeah don't listen about mom and dad yeah it's you can watch you can watch later yeah. This temple is very perfect for meditation course. Money no? Yeah. บิ่งหลายเตือไปนี่ครับ
Sip.
If you have question ask อาจารย์มหาคมณี He is a meditation teacher in Massachusetts but normally we teach in Lao but I never taught meditation in English. So peaceful view, yeah. Good morning.
เดี๋ยวที่งามเลย
Enjoy the day. From Buffalo, New York. Wow. คุณนมัสการ from
International.
yeah.
คอมเมน
From
ต์มาหลาย
many where. Yeah.
ที่หลวงพ่อจร
Uh-huh. Do you who can remember him? หลวงพ่อจร
ยิ้มสมายหลวงพ่อ
Yeah.
จร
He walk how many days หลวงพ่อ
7 day
7 day. Yeah.
สาวคนนั้นนะ
South Carolina.
from North Carolina
Yeah.
Lama stop you Green High Point
High Point.
Greensboro
Wow.
แล้วก็เพิ่นให้ไป connect อยู่อัน Washington
Saint Petersburg where? Yeah.
อยู่เช่น
We are Saint Petersburg now. And tomorrow we have funeral service for the most venerable monks, พระพ่อคำพาเกตวงศ์ Yeah. He is a local monk here. Yeah. Maybe สบายดีค่ะหน่อยอาจารย์อาจารย์วิศาสนา วิศาสนา Yeah.
ผู้ของมาหลายเลยเนอะ
Maybe someday we have to open. Many people ask me about meditation online. Yeah, meditation online.
แปลน
You are coming to Virginia. Yes, last month we went to Virginia. I understand your English. Oh, thank you. Just baby English. Okay, baby English. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning. You are, I do recognize these venerable monks. Now from Walk for Peace, he has a lovely smile. Oh, เพิ่นจื้อได้เด้เพิ่นจื้อหลวงพ่อได้
โอ้
อืม
หลวงพ่อจร
Thank you, venerable. Yeah.
ชื่อหลวงพ่อจอน
Yeah. They remember you. And what is the best way to do walking mindfulness meditation? I am learning and practice. Best way depend on the people. Some people when they walk, they focus on the feet, on the feet when touching the ground, on the step, every step when we walk. But some people when they walk, we focus on breathing.
Yeah.
Breathing. Yeah. For example, หลวงพ่อสมภพโชติปัญโย when he walk, he focus on breathing. Yeah. It's up to you. And some people we observing our body, whole body. Yeah. Whole body. Whole body moving. Yeah. It's depend on the people. If which one is the best for you, you can try the best for you. Thank you for question. เจริญพรเด้อออกตนโยมทั้งลาวโยมแม่ทั้งหลายคนที่เข้ามาเบิ่ง
ลาวกับเมืองหลาย
Welcome back อาจารย์วอชิงตันดีซีagain สาธุอาจารย์Venerable วิศาสนา I saw the monk in อย่างนี้ Anna Oris, Maryland. Yeah. Very blessing, very blessing when you saw the monks peaceful. Even though the monks didn't talk any Dhamma talk, didn't talk any Dhamma talk, but some people just see the monk is a very blessing. Your English is improving. Yeah. Thank you. Good morning. Today is going to be my peaceful day. Yeah, Sadhu. Sadhu is when Venerable Panjakara says is when we say Sadhu is we rejoice every good thing what the people did. Yeah, rejoice the merit. We understand your real English. Yeah, baby English. I'm from Sri Lanka. Wow, learn from Sri Lanka. Sadhu. I would like to say thank you and thank you so much for every people who send love, care, everything. Some people visited me and my friend every day. Thank you so much. From Kentucky, wow. Again from Olympia, Washington. Nice to see you in the different time zone. Okay, what is beautiful peace and peaceful day there? Okay, just ask the question if you want to ask the question. If I can answer, I will answer. If I cannot, I will ask the Venerable Anmahakamani. He is my helper,
For 7 day
7
up after
Yeah, but
After today.
my venerable monks, Ajahn Maha
Vattana.
he is take care me say almost 3 months. Yeah, almost 3 months. Yeah, I very lucky. I have many venerable monks for who are taking care of me. Even though I younger than them, but they take care of me like a senior monk. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. I feel very warm. Yeah. Very many venerable monks. They don't leave me. They don't leave me alone. Yeah. Sulon use left foot, right foot, walking meditation. Yeah. We when I was in Thai, I have been in Thailand. I practice. I use left like a step, right step, left step. Yeah. ว่ายังเนาะ ใส่ยังเนาะ Yeah. But you have eye close, sleep, walking. Yeah.
Walking.
I have experience when I walking meditation with the group. When I was novice, when I walk, I fall asleep when I walk. Yeah. When I walk. Yeah. Because I don't have the more mindful. If you practice mindfulness meditation, if you don't have more mindful, you feel to sleep. If you have mindful enough, you can deep meditation. You can get deep meditation. Yeah. Keeping in touch. with us. Thank you so much. I love walking. Me too. I love walking meditation because when I walk now, when I walk it feel like I get more mindful. Yeah, I will spend time today with Venerable Monk Panta. Oh, Andy Lee, Satu, Anumothana, Satu to taking care of the Venerable brother, my brother. Yeah, Venerable brother, friends. Yeah. How are you feeling? Hearing, yeah, very. I'm feeling good, and hearing is very good. But I still feel I have my foot. I try to focus on breathing when walking, but I live in Canada and it's still cold. Simple focusing on feet is for well.
สามารถย่างได้
Oh yeah. But you can walk in your house. Just 5 meter is okay. 5 meter 4 meter is okay. You can walk and come back. Walk ย่างไปย่างมาว่าจังได๋ก่อน
Yeah. Walk around.
No.
Go and back.
Yeah.
And back.
Go and back.
Yeah.
Four and back. Yeah, you can walk four and back. Yeah. You don't need to walk around.
Example.
Yeah.
Can you do example?
No, I cannot. But you can example, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see Venerable Company walk ย่างไปหอนหันแล้วก็กลับมาแต่ย่างแบบธรรมดาเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงone more time yeah อันนี้บอก you can walk slow or quick depend on you but for me is walk slow is better because I can focus on my body moving. Yeah, you can walk around or you can walk forward and back. Yeah, I walk around 25 miles. Wow, you walk like a monk. Yeah, follow green and follow. Well, they. Yeah. Do you? Yeah. When did you see when Venerable Mahakamani when he return back, he slowly focusing on on feet on body. Yeah. But don't close your eye, okay? When you walk. Just walking, open your eye, but your eye is in front of you about 2 meter, okay, 2 meters, and focusing on your feet touching on the ground, slowly, right foot step, left foot step, yeah. Oh, thank you เขาหน่อย thank you so much. Next time, yeah, maybe here is a very perfect space to have meditation course. Yeah, maybe next time if people around here want to practice meditation course, maybe we can come. Yeah. But for the people who live around Georgia, please join us 24 to 28 at Auto Cornelia, Georgia. Yeah, วัดลาวพุทธสัทธาธรรม Do you have meditation teaching on YouTube? Um, not now, not now, because
เป็นยังป้อมๆแบบ
not now because I have my English, yeah, just baby English, you know.
You can do right now.
Yeah. Good morning from UK. Wow, from UK อาจารย์
Yeah. You know, talk about the walking meditation.
Mhm.
You just walk 5 rounds,
Mhm.
like go and back
Mhm.
5 times. You know how many minutes?
I don't know.
Just take a very fast time. Yeah, but you feel like 5 minutes,
Oh.
but time go to 20 or 30 minutes.
Mm.
fast
Oh.
Very fast time.
Wow. But don't focus on your
Go
ยังก็นาฬิกา on your
Watch.
time, okay? Watch on your time. Just focusing on your feet when you
Yeah.
walk.
and happy
Yeah.
every moment you move.
You know when you can sitting meditation minimum for you 20 minutes, for example. If you walking meditation first 10 minutes or 20 minutes, then you come back to a sitting minute. You can sitting long time than before, you know. From Netherlands สาธุนมัสการอาจารย์เจริญพรลิตาอาจารย์อินฟลอริดา right now ว่าจังไดเนี่ยลิตา hi ลิตา
Jan
Jan
in
in-
Florida right now.
yeah
Yeah. ซื้อแล้วฮะ
thank you for accepting my follow in Washington yeah
สิก็น้อยอยู่น้ำอาจารย์จังมือตอนนี้จากนี้ไปสิได้เห็นกันเรื่อย
จะได้เห็นเรื่อยๆ yeah is we live together until 15, right? 15. After 15, 14, 15.
ๆ How many days?
From now,
Yes.
today,
More than 7 years.
More than-
7 days.
yeah, more than 7 days. More than 1 week.
We are Dhamma friend
Yeah.
since 2015, right?
Yeah. 2015.
Until today.
How do we register for the 5-day meditation in not Florida, in Georgia, that's I will tell the temple member, some temple member to ยังก็สำหรับ register นะ prepare for register for everybody, yeah. But you can take your tent. You can sleep on the ground. Yeah, on the ground. We can sleep together. Okay. Everybody sleep on the ground. We will be going to leave during the funeral. We will be going to leave during the funeral.
อ๋อ
คือหยัง
ก็อยู่นี่ตัว
We will be going to leave during the funeral. Or will you be going? Do you mean? Yeah. In funeral, I will stay. I still stay here.
tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. From Singapore, อาจารย์ Wow, we are from Singapore.
Thank you.
Next
from
time.
Singapore.
Next time when we will visit Singapore, is his lover. Funeral is with his lover.
lover.
Lover. Oh, sorry. My baby English. Yeah. Away from the temple, how often do you visit Saint Peter?
Oh,
Just three time. Yeah. Maybe in the future we will visit again because it's a beautiful temple. Yeah.
beautiful weather.
Weather too. Yeah, sure.
And not too long from your temple,
Yeah, exactly.
Georgia.
About 7 hours
7 hour
driving.
drive.
Yeah, driving.
Not too long.
Yeah.
You can walk from your temple here.
Wow. Maybe I got the new leg. I cannot walk without my friend.
Good morning.
Good morning. Look like a beautiful day in Georgia.
Oh,
Yeah. You
Like
know,
Georgia.
I send you a greeting from Italy. Wow, thank you so much from Italy. In Italy, do you speak English or Italian? ภาษาอิตาลีเนาะ
ภาษาอิตาเลียน
Oh, it's Italian. Okay, yeah.
ครับ
It's very thank you. How can Christian and Buddhist collaborate for peace in the world? แปลว่าจังได Collaborate. What is collaborate?
แตกต่างกันกับอันนั้นคริสเตียนกับบูดิสต์แตกต่าง
oh,
แตกต่างว่าหรือว่าจังไดบ่แม่นที่ collaborate is mean it mean together,
แล้ว
right?
เรา together คล้ายๆคือจะว่าร่วมเข้ากัน
ร่วมเข้ากัน collaborate. How can
cooperate กันก่อน เข้ากัน
it's a good.
ร่วมกัน
Yeah, if we can be together. Yeah, sorry if I wrong understand. Collaborate, you know. Watching the following. A true inspiration. Thank you so much. Grateful for all you. It's great. Wonderful. That's to help Madam. Very respectful of you. Satu. Thank you. Yeah. You know, I feel when the all of monk stay with me, I feel like a brother and brother. Yeah, I feel like my family. Yeah. Are you both doing? We are doing great. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning from Georgia. Today is maybe my beautiful day. Yeah. If you live in Georgia, Corinne, yeah, you can join with us in Cornelia, Wat Lao Buddha Sattha Tham 24 to 28 meditation course. We practice all day meditation, you know, all day meditation. Venerable Dong Panet will come join us. Venerable Tui will come join us, and Venerable Bun Liang. He is the head monk of the for teaching meditation of Lao American Buddhist Council. Yeah, Lao American Buddhist Monk Council. Beautiful. Yeah, hello from Texas. I'm glad you. Thank you, many people in Texas to taking care of me when I was hospital. Yeah, especially วัดลาวยังก็วัดลาวพุทธสามัคคีวัดลาวพุทธสามัคคีอาจารย์สมดีอาจารย์แสงเป็นอาจารย์ตุ้ยอาจารย์สมพงษ์and the president of Lao Patula of Lao Temple. What do you need to know before visiting my local temple? Thank you from Saint Petersburg. What do I need to know before? No, just come. Just feel free to come. You don't need to bring anything or just feel free to come and say hi. We can. Many people concerned about they afraid to did anything wrong. This, but you just feel free to visit. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just come and learn. Yeah. Hello from Sweden. Wow, Sweden.
สวีเดนหลายนะ
You look great and you surround beautiful garden. Yeah, exactly. สบายดีขะน้อยอยู่ดีไม่แห้งขะน้อยสบายดี Hi from Puerto Rico. Wow, Puerto Rico. It's very nice Iceland. Yeah.
โปรตุเกส nice place
How how can I visit Puerto Rico? If I have green card, can I visit Puerto Rico? I don't know. It's Puerto Rico is the part of USA, right?
yeah you กายเม็กซิกันเป็น
Southern California. Wow, California. I never been there before. Do you use the Mala Beach? Mala Beach. What's Mala Beach? คือรูปประคำปะเนี่ยนะ
I don't know
Mala Beach. I don't
Mala
know.
Beach.
Sorry, I don't know. Mala Beach. Do you mean this? Some did you saw the Venerable Ponchai when he walked he count on a Mala Beach. Do you know? Do you mean that? I don't know.
บุคเมนอันนี้เป็น
This
ค
one?
ำนี่เมนอันนั้น
Oh, it's
Yeah,
beautiful. It's Mala Beach. I don't know.
beach บหรือว่า beach อันบนนั้น beach ซึ่งของกัน
Beach. B-E-A-D.
beach อยู่ปัตโตริโกมันมี beach งามได้
อ๋อ
อ้าวแม่นล่ะ
ไม่ล่ะ
นั่นแหละรูปปั้น
อ้าวก็คือว่า do you use
โอ้
Mala Beach?
Olympic beach บักงามๆนะคนนั้น
No. It's do you use Mala Beach?
beach อันใดคนนั้นยังบ่เห็น
B-E-A-D.
กระดูกประคำแต่ว่ามาลามัน
อ๋อ
ดอกไ
มาลา
ดอกไม้กัน
แม่นละมาลาเนี่ยนะ
Oh.
Mala Beach. Yeah. I used to. Yeah, I used Mala Beach.
ก็น้อยมีคนต้อง
It's
การ
great to see you doing.
I have to
But normally I just don't use the anything out of my body, because when you use outside object outside of you, when you stay far with them, you cannot meditate, but you just use the every object in your body. Yeah, breathing or walking is okay. Yeah, if you is great for you, you can use it. I wonder if none of you were sleeping while walking and sitting during break. I wonder if done. ว่าจังได I wonder if done for you were sleeping. Do you mean
walking
do you
อ๋อ
when I walking I can sleep, do you
สิ่งมหัศจรรย์ดีมากเอามาเบิ่งก่อนเขาบอกว่าเขานอนหลับดีมากหลังจากที่
I wonder if done or you were sleeping while walking.
แบบมหัศจรรย์แบบนี้
We are
yeah
we
very good.
we are baby English, from Florida. Yeah, you can visit at Venerable monks, many monks. Yeah, Florida in Saint Petersburg. เยี่ยมเอื่อย
okay
for guiding us. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Next time I want to share with you about pain meditation. You know, pain meditation. I used to teach pain meditation in my temple when we have Buddhist camp last time. Yeah, but small group just listen and listening about pain meditation. But I want to share with all of you for pain meditation is very helpful when you get sick, when you have your body is not normal. Yeah, I am happy to see you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, I have to go now. Thank you everybody to come to say hi and send many star. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You say Satu
Satu, can you say Satu together?
and
When you will be อย่างนี้เล็กโอ้ผมจะว่า when will you have your legs maybe next three 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah.
thank you everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May peace come to your heart. Satu.